Right, let me go with the fourth problem. Right, this is based on the pictograph. Let us check out here. Study the graph which represent the sale of apple boxes in 4 days of a week. Right, each apple represent in this pictograph is 25 boxes. Right, if after 4 days, see 75 apple boxes are left, then the number of apple boxes are initially. So we are supposed to check out. Let us check out here. Monday, how many apples it is? Let us check out here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 apple boxes. That is 6 apple they have given, that into 25. Right, so 25 6 that is 150. Right, now Tuesday, it is similar to the first problem only, right? So Tuesday, that is 1 2 3 4 5 into 25, which is going to be 125. Right, Wednesday how much? 3 boxes, that is 3 apples, and as well as that is 25 bucks each. Right, so that is 25 3s are 75. And Thursday, which is going to be 4 into 25, which is going to be 100. Let us add it here. Right, so 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry. Right, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 7 14, plus 1 15. Right, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 3 4 450. So 450 apple boxes are sold, plus so 75 apple boxes are left, that we need to add here. That is 75, that is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 1 carry, so 525 is the answer. That is, initially the number of apple boxes are 525. Option, let's check out here. 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 a, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 5 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 450 plus 75. Right, 75, 450 plus 75 is 525. So they have mentioned here 400. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. That is 18 into 25. 25 8s are 4 200, that is 0, 20 carry, 25 1s are 25 plus 20, 450. 450 plus 75, 525 is the right answer, but they have mentioned right, this is going to be option D is the right one. Right, 525 is the answer.